What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, purchased on April 26, 2018, which is today, the TCL R617 will be coming to the Quantum Apotheosis channel, guys. So, get your questions ready. We're going to be answering a lot of them. Now, I want to make a very big shout out to Mr. Neil. I'm not going to say your whole name or anything like that, but I definitely want to give you the shout out because you're the reason I'm even reviewing this product. As you guys know, I tried with the OLED. That didn't really work out so well. I tried with so many other TVs, just didn't work out. So we're trying now with the TCL, and I'm going to be giving you this information in an unbiased, unpaid off, unsponsored manner that's just really going to be very genuine, very organic, and everything you're going to hear about this television, good and bad, will just be as I, experience the product as a consumer, without all the technical charts and graphs to try to manipulate data or trick people. It's just going to be very straightforward. So if you're interested in that content and you really want to know just the nitty gritty, is this worth your time or not, make sure you hit that bell icon, that subscribe notification, so that you know first when this video is going to drop. Also, to anybody who wants to have their voices heard, make sure you also stop by the channel's community section. I do a lot of polls there, and that is how I come up with a lot of my ideas for what to do on the next video. Also, if you guys want to have a conversation with me or you just want to shoot the breeze, make sure you come on over to the Facebook page and ask me whatever you want. Don't be a stranger. I'm a very social guy, so I don't care how big my channel grows. It's you guys that grow the channel. So if you guys want to be a part of the community, you guys want to have a conversation with your host, Quantum Apotheosis, by all means, I am an open door for anybody out there that wants to have a conversation. That being said, my name is Quantum Apotheosis, bringing you guys the apotheosis of information. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and being a part of the channel today. I really appreciate every single one of you giving me your time, your energy, your effort, and staying through the videos and watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.